Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, it looks like Bitcoin keeps tapping 100k. It wants to break through 100k. It keeps tapping it. Maybe soon, the more it taps it, the easier it will to stay above it. But we'll get into the Bitcoin update here in a little bit. We'll get into the XRP update, XLM update, Jasmy update. Maybe we'll do some hidden gems, or if there's any questions, put them in the chat. I'll get to them at the end of the video. Alright guys, well, I like to start off with the crypto bubbles. Let's see how the day is going for the top 100 cryptos. Looks like Pepe is leading the way. It's up 20.6% up for the day. Pepe, that level of a green frog. Then we got Doge. It's up 8.6 for the day. It's making a move. It's trying to tap 48 cents and break above 48 cents. We got Floki, the people's crypto. It's up 12.7% for the day. We got WIF. It's up 12.1% for the day. Popcat, the crazy little cat, 8.3% for the day. Peanut, 9.1% for the day, and Bonk's 10.5% for the day too. So it looks like the meme coins are starting to move, guys. Might be a good time to get into the meme coins. Well, the best time was yesterday and the day before and the day before that, before they started to move, when the meme coins were down. But I mean, it's never too late. Looks like the meme coins are starting to move. So it looks like the utility coins like XRP, XLM, they're consolidating, going sideways. Looks like the meme coins might be next to run again. It looks like this crypto cycle, the biggest winners, the biggest gainers are definitely going to be the meme coins. I mean, they already are the biggest gainers from the beginning of the bull run. The bull run to me started when the Bitcoin bottomed out in November of 2022. That was the bear market low, and basically December 2022, from there on, I believe that's where I start my bull run, because that's where most of the coins bottomed and Bitcoin bottomed. Not all the altcoins bottomed, but a lot of coins did bottom out with Bitcoin. So that's when the bull run begins in my analysis. So yeah, it looks like the meme coins are definitely they've been moving the last 2 years, and looks like they're starting to move again, guys. So look into the meme coins. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin's up to. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording right now is $99,761. Looks like Bitcoin's been tapping 100k. Just been consolidating. Right around 100k. A little bit above, a little bit below. It did get as high as $100,417 today. Yesterday it closed at right underneath 100k. It closed at $99,929. So the trading day of December 7, the close for Bitcoin was 99,929. So at least we're closing right around 100k. Like I've said in my previous videos, we gotta close at least 3 days in a row above 100k, so that way we could build 100,000 baseline for Bitcoin. That way Bitcoin won't go underneath 100k anymore. But at least we're still bullish in the chart. I mean, we're still making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So the chart is still bullish. Ever since August 5th, the Black Monday low, we've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And we just made our local high, higher high of 104,000. We made that on December 5th trading day. And we made our local higher low here yesterday December 7th trading day of 99,000. So we are making progress. We're grinding up slowly. Looks like that 100k barrier is very it's going to be a tough wall to break down. Looks like there's a lot of bears selling there. It's a psychological level too. 100k is big deal for Bitcoin. I mean, it was like underneath the penny when it started in 2009. Imagine you would have bought Bitcoin at a penny or less. You'd be a millionaire, maybe even a billionaire. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Bitcoin. Everything's looking good. We keep tapping 100k. the more we tap it, the easier this going to be to break it. So we're breaking it down. We're breaking 100K down, guys. And don't be fooled. Don't get shaken out. If you hear a lot of FUD out there, a lot of bears out there saying that that Bitcoin's not going to be able to pass 100K. We're basically topped out at 104K, and the bear market's going to start now. Don't be fooled by that FUD, guys. I do believe we are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So right now it's not the time to be bearish. Right now it's the time to be bullish on Bitcoin, because in case you don't know, Bitcoin follows a 4-year cycle. It basically goes down for a year. That's what the bear market is called. And basically last cycle top for Bitcoin was November 21st. It topped out, and then a year later, it went straight down for a year, and it hit the bear market low in November 22nd. So it has about a year going down and about 3 years up. So but we're basically, we've gone up all of 2023, 2024. So we still got 1 more year of upside for Bitcoin, and we're basically in the last phase, which they call the parabolic bull run phase for Bitcoin. So yeah, don't get flooded out, guys. We still got 1 more year left, about 12 months of Bitcoin going to higher prices, guys. Of course, there's gonna be corrections along the way. I mean, nothing moves up in straight line. We are gonna see corrections, but I do see Bitcoin making higher prices. For at least another 6 to 12 months at least, guys. But definitely don't get shaken out by the bears or the market makers, guys. I think probably any day now, maybe in a few days, maybe tomorrow, in a few days, at any time, I do believe we're gonna break 100K, and I still see us getting to about 120K, somewhere between 120K or 140K before we do see a 30% correction on Bitcoin. Right now, I don't think we're gonna go below 90K. I think 90K is basically the line in the sand for Bitcoin. I don't think we'll dip below 90K anytime soon. I think we're gonna keep rallying, probably somewhere between 120K and 140K, and then we'll have a 30% correction. So let's just say Bitcoin gets to 140K, 30% correction would be somewhere about like a 98. It would go all the way down to like 98,000. So even if you're waiting for a correction, it wouldn't be a good idea, guys, because when we finally get that 30% correction, we're basically going to be at the same price we are right now, because 30% correction from 140K is around 98,000. So we're basically at 99,000 right now. So if you were looking for a big correction to buy back in Bitcoin, I don't think we're going to get it anytime soon. And once we get it, we're basically going to be at the bottom at the same price we are right now. So definitely stay bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Right now it's not the time to be bearish. We could definitely move up here. As you guys have seen, Bitcoin is very volatile, especially right now at the parabolic bull run phase of Bitcoin. It moves up, hard, and then it moves down hard too. Like the December 5th liquidation ritual they had on December 5th. You saw it quickly moved up to 104K, and then that same day it closed. It went all the way down to 92K. So Bitcoin could do those volatile moves, guys, but it'll recover quickly. Any dip you see right now in Bitcoin is a good buying opportunity. You gotta buy the dip on Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrencies, because overall they are gonna make higher prices. We're definitely in the last phase of the crypto cycle, which is the parabolic phase. And I do believe altcoin season is gonna be starting soon. Probably sometime by the end of the year. I think we'll get a Christmas rally. I think Ethereum will probably start breaking for sure $4,000. It's already tapped $4,000. It's gotten to like $4,027, but it keeps going under 4,000. I believe right now it's about like 3,900. Let's see. Yeah, Ethereum is 3,975. So 4,000 is like 100,000. 4,000 to Ethereum is like 100K. To Bitcoin, it keeps tapping 4,000K, and once Ethereum breaks 4,000K, once it, it doesn't go back under 4,000K, that's when, and it keeps running. I think that's when the true altcoin season will start, and I see that starting sometime at the end of the year. Kind of, I believe we're gonna get like a Christmas rally, and the New Year rally. So we're gonna get a Christmas rally, and it's gonna last all the way through New Year's and all of January, guys. And that's when I think the true altcoin season will be in effect in January of 2025, guys. Let's check out the Bitcoin dominance. In order for the true altcoin season to come in, I do believe we gotta stay under 55%. We keep dipping a little bit below 55. Let's see, like today, on the December 8th trading day, we dipped to 54.95, but we're back at 55.22%. Yesterday, we dipped all the way to 54.78%. Bitcoin dominance. That's why you see some random altcoins popping off. But once we stay below 55% Bitcoin dominance, like we don't go above it no more. The lower we go, underneath 55% Bitcoin dominance, that's when the true altcoin season will start popping off. That's when you'll see your all the crypto coins doing 100% moves every day. And some will even end up 10xing. Some will end up 20xing. Some coins will even do 50x. And and by the time the altcoin season is over, some of your favorite cryptocurrencies will do a 100x from the price of today, and some lucky few will even do 1,000x or more from the price of today on your favorite cryptocurrency, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrency. I believe we're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run. So right now it's the time to be bullish, because I do see higher prices coming for Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrency, guys. So let's get right into the XRP update, guys. See what XRP is doing. Here in this channel, we love Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy. But basically, we love all the cryptos. I can't go over all the charts, of every cryptocurrency, every day. But I do my, my top 3 favorites right now, which are, XRP, XLM, and Jasmy. But I also love Avalanche, Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, guys. Those are my top 6 cryptos. But I do have some other ones that I like that are low market cap. But right now, let's go over the XRP chart. Current price of XRP is $2.54. Looks like XRP is just consolidating. It hasn't gone under the $2.15 low it made on December 3rd, and it hasn't gone above $2.90 and made that same day. So basically, like I've said in my previous video, I do believe it's just going to keep ranging between 290 and 215. But I don't think it's gonna range consolidate that much longer, because look at this pattern it's making right now. It's very bullish pattern. It only consolidates for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th day it goes to higher prices. It did the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th day higher prices. So right now we topped off on December 3rd trading day. And so far it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're in the 5th day of trading after the top of 290, and it's just consolidating. So maybe tomorrow, if it follows that pattern, the 6th day, it's going to break out and go into higher prices than $2.90, guys. So hopefully that happens. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. All I could do is look at the data and and just make my probabilities, take probabilities from there. So it's very probable that tomorrow's trading day, the trading day of December 9th, because today is the December 8th trading day, but tomorrow's trading day, December 9th, XRP could possibly go to higher prices. And my next target after 290 is $3.50, because that's the XRP all-time high. And a lot of people are probably gonna take profits or sell out at 350, because the all-time high of $3.50 came in 2017 cycle. So a lot of people have been holding for like 7 years. People who bought that top at $3.50, they're just gonna wanna be even. Like they want their money back, or they might be a little bit into profit, and they're just gonna be like, oh man, I've been holding this coin for 7 years. So I'm gonna sell out. Even though they probably know there's gonna be higher prices, but since they've been holding for so long, a lot of people are gonna sell out at 350, and so we'll probably see a small correction at 350. So yeah, my next price target, if it breaks out tomorrow, is $3.50 for XRP, guys, and then I'll probably do a small correction from $3.50 because there is a lot of resistance at 350. But once we break 350, guys, once XRP manages to break $3.50, it's basically, it'll be in price discovery, it'll be in blue skies. So I do believe we'll probably start mooning once XRP breaks 350. But I do believe we could probably get to 350 by the end of the year. By the end of 2024, I do believe we could probably be at around $3.50, guys, and that will set us up for the beginning of next year. We'll probably start mooning. Probably once President Donald Trump takes office in January 2025, which is also the same day that Gary Gensler will be officially out of the SEC chair. That's probably when XRP is going to start mooning really hard, guys. It might start doing 100% moves every day. So just get ready, guys. I do see this cycle for XRP being very bullish. Like I said, it's got a lot of bullish things going for it, and I do believe it's repeating the 2017 cycle, where it basically mooned all of 2017. So I have two scenarios. Either XRP tops out sometime in March or April 2025. That's if it repeats the 2021 cycle. But I'm starting to lean more towards the 2017 cycle. I do believe I have like a 60% chance the XRP is gonna keep mooning all of 2025, and it might top off with Bitcoin sometime in September 2025, and it could get to as high as $30, guys. That's my bullish case scenario for XRP. It could get it as high as $30, by the end of 2025. But my bearish case scenario for XRP, I do believe it could at least get to $15. That's like my worst case scenario for XRP. I do believe it could at least get to $15. It's just moving very bullishly. I see a lot of similarities with the 2017 cycle where it did a 600x. I don't think XRP could do a 600x from the bear market low, but I do believe it could do a 100x from the bear market low. So the bear market low of XRP was 30 cents this cycle. So 100x would be around $30. So that's why I do believe it could possibly do a $30 XRP by the end of 2025. But for sure, I could almost guarantee. But again, guys, nothing's guaranteed. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose. But yeah, I could almost guarantee, guys, that XRP is going to get to $15, guys. So that's my bearish case scenario, is $15 for XRP, guys. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing is guaranteed, guys. Nothing is guaranteed in the markets, guys. Neither in the stock market or crypto market. Nothing is guaranteed. But what I'm doing, guys, I'm selling some of my XRP at $15. I'm gonna sell about half of my XRP at $15, and then save my other half of my XRP just in case it does go to higher prices, guys. Yeah, and I do intend to sell my XRP around $15 whenever that comes in. I'm really more gonna time it, the time in the market, not really the price. Whatever price is around, XRP is gonna be around in March or April 2025, which I believe will probably be around $15. That's when I'm gonna sell half my coins, and then I'm gonna save my other half of my coins for higher prices for the end of the year of 2025, because I do see bearish things coming for Bitcoin and cryptos. In March or April 2025, I do see a big correction coming in. It might not be the final top, but I do see a big correction, a 50% correction coming in for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies sometime in March or April of 2025, guys. But yeah, keep following the channel, and the chart will show us the way. We'll keep looking. We look at the chart here every day, and we'll see what's going to happen in March. But right now, don't get bearish. Right now, it's the time to be bullish. I do see nothing but bullish upside for Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy, and your favorite cryptocurrency. From now until at least March of 2025, I do see nothing but bullish upside prices for all of crypto in general, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on XRP, guys. Again, XRP might break into higher prices tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow's trading day, guys. By the end of trading day, December 9th. So once it breaks that 290, my next price target is $3.50, like I already explained, guys. So let's get right into the XLM update, guys. See what XLM is doing. Current price of XLM right now is 48 cents as we speak. Now XLM, unlike XRP, it's been consolidating a long time. XRP has been consolidating in 6 days, and then it moves into higher prices. But XLM, I think it's like its 14th day it's been consolidating. Let's see. It made the local top on November 24 of 63 cents. 63 cents. It made it November 24, and then it's been consolidating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the 14th day of consolidation for XLM. So it's been consolidating 2 weeks, but I do see it coiling up. I do believe it's gonna make a big move. It might make like a 100% move. Might get to like $1 as soon as it runs up. Because look, it's been coiling up for 2 weeks. So it's, the more it coils up, the more it consolidates, the more explosive the move. But the chart is still bullish. I mean, I don't see anything bearish about this chart. Look at these God candles, and look, we've still been making higher highs, higher lows. And we're just consolidating, guys. So we're just consolidating right now. We're 2 weeks in consolidation. I don't believe we'll go under 41 cents. I believe 41 cents is the line in the sand. Now for XLM, we'll probably still keep ranging between 41 cents and 63 cents. Just for like maybe another day or 2 or 3, we could break up to the upside anytime. Usually they consolidate, about 2 to 3 weeks tops, and then they move up to the upside. In the parabolic bull run phase, when I looked at the chart for XLM, the maximum consolidations they do is somewhere between the 2 to 3 weeks, and then they start grinding up. So we either have like another day or tops another week of consolidation for XLM, and then we should see more upside on XLM, guys. My next price target for XLM, once it breaks 63 cents, is around 73 cents, because that was the 2021 top for XLM. So it might see a little bit of resistance at 73 cents, but I don't think there'll be much. I think it might just tap it and consolidate for a day, but then it'll quickly break 73 cents, and then I do see more consolidation. I do see more resistance at 93 cents, which is the current all-time high and made in the 2017 cycle. So we might see a little bit more resistance on 93 cents once it moves up to 93 cents. We might consolidate a little bit longer at 93 cents. But with all this consolidation that's done right now, it might just break through 73 cents and 93 cents, and it might just get to $1. Here in the next move up, because look how explosive the move was for XLM. I mean, it went from 9 cents on election day, November 5th, the USA presidential elections. From November 5th, it went from 9 cents, and then in November 24, which is basically like 19 days. It did like a 8x. No, it was more like a 6x. Yeah, like a 7x. Yeah, it did like a 7x, because 9 times 7 is 63. So yeah, it did like a 7x move in 19 days, guys. So so that's why by the end of the year, I do see XLM at least being $1, guys. I think it's gonna do explosive move. It'll do at least a 100% move from the price of today by the end of the year, $1. But I don't think $1 is gonna be the top for XLM. My price targets for XLM, but at the top of the bull run. My bearish case scenario is somewhere around like like $3.50. That's just like my bearish case scenario. That would be like a 50x from the bear market low of 7 cents, and my bullish case scenario is around $7. Because I do believe, just like XRP, I do believe it's repeating the 2017 cycle, because XLM also did like a 500x or more on the 2017 cycle from their low to the high. They did like 500x's or more. But I do believe this time, I know they can't do a 500x because I mean their market caps are really high now, especially XRP. But I do believe XLM could at least do a 100x just like XRP. So that's why my bullish from the bear market low, of course. So the bear market low for XLM was 7 cents. So that's why my bullish price target for XLM at the top of the bull run in 2025 is around $7. And my bearish case scenario is $3.50, guys. So I do believe XLM could at least get to $3.50 at the top of the bull run. But again, guys, nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. And do your own research, guys. And also only invest the money you're willing to lose in the markets, guys. So yeah, guys, just like XRP, I think it's repeating the 2017 cycle. So there's a 60% chance it might top off at the end of the year with Bitcoin around September 2025. But there's a 40% chance it might top off somewhere in March or April. In March or April, like the 2021 cycle. So that's why I'm just looking at the charts every day. I plan to do the same thing. Sometime in March or April, sell about half my coins. And then save the other half for around September or at the end of the cycle of 2025 for to sell the rest of my XLM coins, guys. But yeah, guys, remain bullish on XLM, guys. I don't see nothing but upside from now until March or April 2025 for XLM and for Bitcoin and XRP and all our crypto, guys. So remain bullish in the market, guys. Alright, guys, let's get right into the Jasmy update. See what Jasmy is doing. Current price of Jasmy coin at the time I'm recording is 0.047 cents. So it's it's staying above the 0.044, which is what I said yesterday. We got to stay above the 0.044 to remain bullish, because we don't want to go back under 4 cents, because there's a lot of support right now at 4 cents, but at 0.04 cents, but we don't want to flip that into resistance. So that's why we got to stay above 0.044 ideally, but at least we got to stay above 0.04. We got to stay above 4 cents. We definitely don't want to go under 4 cents. If we go under 4 cents, that would not be good. We'll just flip 4 cents into resistance now. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, thanks for the patience. I had to clear my throat. So yeah, guys, we have to keep above 4 cents to keep 4 cents as support, guys. So yeah, we're staying above 0.044. So that's really good news. Although we are correcting, because it had an explosive move. From 4 cents, it went all the way up to 6 cents. So it did like a 50% move. So now it's basically retraced, right at to 0.47 at the time of recording. We did get as low as 0.04737, and so we're basically right at the low at 0.0493. But I don't think it'll go any lower. I think it'll basically stay above 0.044, and we should start grinding upwards again, guys. So if you're bullish on Jasmy, right now would be a perfect time to buy the dip, because I don't think we'll make lower prices than 0.044. Not anytime soon. Not maybe to the next bear market, but not right now. I think we got nothing but bullish news and bullish upside for Jasmy. So if you're bullish on Jasmy, right now would be the perfect time to buy the dip on Jasmy, guys. Now Jasmy has already run up a lot from 0.0028. It's already done more than a 25x. When it hit 6 cents, it did like a 20x. So yeah, I mean it's done like a 15-20x from the bear market low of 0.0028. At 6 cents, it's a 20x. So definitely, right now would be a time to buy the dip. It's very bullish, And I do believe even if you bought right now, and even though it's already gone up, like 15 to 20x from the bear market low, I still think there's a good 20x left in Jasmy, because I do see Jasmy topping off around $1 at the top of the bull run, guys. So definitely, if you don't know, if you still got some dry powder, and you're looking for a good project, if you're okay with at least a 20x, I would definitely buy some Jasmy. If you want more than a 20x, then you probably got to look at lower market cap coins. One that I would recommend is XCN. If you want more than a 20x, look into XCN Onyx coin. That one's under like $100 million market cap, and that one probably still do more than a 20x, probably a 50x from the price XCN is right now, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Jasmy. It's the Bitcoin of Japan. Like I already said in my other videos, the team of Jasmy, they're ex-Sony executives. They made Sony what it is today. They know how to market a product. They know how to make a product successful, and they follow through on their projects. So definitely, that's why I'm very bullish on Jasmy. I think Jasmy is going to be, like a staple crypto. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's the only crypto in Japan with clarity, and we know the Japanese, they're always into innovation. They're always first to do new things, and crypto's new, and they're definitely doing new things with Jasmy, and they're probably going to be very successful in it. So that's why I see Jasmy at least getting to $1 in this cycle, guys. So remain bullish on Jasmy. We're probably just going to start grinding upwards here pretty soon. I don't think we'll go lower than 4 cents. So I definitely think right now would be a perfect time to buy the dip. We'll probably start grinding up here at any time soon. And then once we break 6 cents, my next price target is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents for Jasmy. So that's my next price target, guys. Is 8 cents to 10 cents for Jasmy. Once we break 6 cents, guys. So yeah, guys, that's the Jasmy update. Now I was talking about XCN. Here, let me pull up XCN real quick. Here, go to CoinMarketCap better. If you're looking for more than a 20x, I recommend XCN. Let me pull it up real quick. Onyx coin. Right now it's sitting at a 0.0027 price range. And the market cap is, I believe it's 100 million. I'm just waiting for CoinMarketCap to load here. Yeah, CoinMarketCap says it's 83 million market cap. So I mean, that's like like almost I still see XCN doing at least a 50x from the price of today. So it could definitely get to at least like like 15 cents. The all-time high of XCN is 18 cents. So if it just got to its all-time high, that would be like a little bit more than a 50x. But realistically, I could almost see it doing at 100x. I do believe it could get to 27 cents at least. So 27 cents from the price of today would be 100x. So yeah, if you're looking for more than a 20x, look into Onyx Coin XCN. I do see over 50x on Onyx Coin. It's got good tokenomics. The total supply is 48.4 billion XCN. The circulating supply is already 30 billion, which is about let's see what the percentage is. It's around 63%. So that's not bad. I always recommend at least above 50% circulating supply for a project. If it's under 50%, I don't really like them. Although there's a lot of projects that do good, even though they're below 50% circulating supply. But that's just asking for the team to dump on you. But I mean, there are projects that do good, even though they have less than 50% circulating supply. But I'd rather, that's just my strategy. I stay above 50% circulating supply. But you guys could do what you guys want to do. You could buy XCN at Coinbase, BitGet, Uniswap, Kraken, KuCoin, HTX, Mexi, Gate.io, BingeX. So definitely, you could buy a lot of places, guys. Let's see what the Onyx coin is all about. It says Onyx is a Web3 blockchain infrastructure that enables organizations to build better financial services from the ground up. Onyx coin is the protocol's governance and utility token which governs the network through the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, guys, Onyx is a DeFi project, and you can't fade DeFi because that's why crypto was definitely made for. It was made for decentralized finance, guys. So definitely don't miss out on Onyx Coin. It's got a lot of heavy backers behind it. I do believe the NASDAQ stock market invested heavily into the Onyx Coin, into XCN. Also, Visa invested heavily into XCN. So I don't think Visa and NASDAQ are going to let the stock market. NASDAQ and Visa are not going to let XCN down. They're definitely going to pump it, guys. A lot of people are bullish on XCN. This guy is saying here, I'm bullish on XCN. I like how this project emphasizes security and transparency. Let's see, this other guy says, Onyx Coin XCN is redefining decentralized governance in Web3 with transparent treasury management, community-driven initiatives, and a strong focus on open finance. It's a project with immense potential. There's another review that says here, I'm bullish on calling it. XCN is the next big thing in crypto. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get in on the ground floor. Yeah, guys, see, everybody's bullish on XCN, and I'm definitely bullish on XCN. Very, very, low price, very, very cheap right now. The bear market low was the all-time low, which was the bear market low this time, was done in October 11, 2023, and it was at 0.0007. So it's only up 284% from the bear market low, from the all-time low, that is. So I mean, that's pretty good, because a lot of altcoins have already ran up, like over 300, 400, 500%, 600%. Some even over 10x or 15x. Some coins have done more than 20x, like Solana and other coins. So definitely look into XCN if you're late in the game, or if you still have some dry powder and you're looking for a good coin to buy in. Onyx Coin is one that I would recommend. Crow with Knife is also one I recommend. Definitely look into Crow with Knife. It's got also a low market cap. And it's on the number one meme coin on the Kronos blockchain, guys. So if late in the game, you haven't bought no crypto yet, or you still got some dry powder and looking for new cryptos to get good returns on, I also recommend Crow with Knife. Only a $35 million market cap. All the supply is in circulating. So all the circulating supply is at 99.9%. So definitely the team's not going to dump on you. And I do believe the Kronos blockchain, CRO, is a late bloomer. On the last cycle, CRO was a late bloomer. It did over like 100x from the low to the high. And I do believe once Crow starts running, the CRO token, all the meme coins and the Crow ecosystem is going to also moon. And I do believe Crow with Knife could do at least 100x from the price of today. It could, right now it's a $35 million market cap, and it could easily get to like a $3.5 billion market cap. Pepe is already like a $9 billion market cap, and it's the number one meme coin on Ethereum. And Crow with Knife is the number one meme coin on Crow, so I don't see why it can't do it also. So yeah, guys, those are two coins that I recommend, XCN and Crow with Knife, CAW, if you're still looking for some cryptos with good returns, guys. Alright, guys, just wanted to give you guys this quick update. Stay strong on the market. Stay bullish. This is not the time to be bearish. We're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin and cryptos in general. So I see nothing but higher prices from now until March of 2025. But of course, we are going to see corrections. Nothing moves up in a straight line. So if you see corrections in Bitcoin or in your favorite crypto, don't get shaken out. Don't get fearful. Don't sell out of your positions. The best thing to do right now is just to hold and sell once we get into higher prices. You gotta have a selling plan, and once you have once the coin or Bitcoin hits your price target, that's when you want to sell, guys. All right, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.